Hey everyone, welcome back to Kodi Hunter RJ, your go-to source for the latest Kodi add-ons, builds, and streaming guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install the Adult Swim add-on on Kodi 21.2 Omega in just a few easy steps. If you love shows like Rick and Morty, Robot Chicken, The Venture Bros, Samurai Jack, and more, then this add-on is a must-have for your Kodi setup. So, stick around till the end, and I'll also show you how to fix buffering issues and optimize your settings for the best experience. Before we dive in, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. First, we need to allow Kodi to install add-ons from third-party sources. Open Kodi, click on Settings, select System, scroll down to Add-ons, toggle Unknown Sources to On, and click Yes on the warning message. Go back to Kodi home screen, click Add-ons, click Install from Repository, select Kodi Addon Repository, go to Video Add-ons, find Adult Swim and click Install, and wait for the notification confirming installation. That's it. You've successfully installed the Adult Swim add-on on Kodi 21.2 Omega. Now let's open the add-on and start streaming. Go back to Kodi home screen, click on Add-ons, Video Add-ons, open Adult Swim, and browse full episodes, live streams, and exclusive clips. Enjoy all your favorite Adult Swim shows for free with high-quality streams. To ensure a smooth streaming experience, here are a few quick tips. Use a VPN for privacy and unrestricted access, clear Kodi cache using the ES maintenance tool, and try different video quality settings if buffering occurs. And that's it. You now have Adult Swim installed on Kodi 21.2 Omega and ready to go. If this video helped you, drop a like, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe for more Kodi guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy streaming.